Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 60 seconds or less. Today we will be covering how to share a post from another page to your personal or business profile on Instagram. So the first step in getting this done is just to go to the profile on Instagram that you want to share a post from. Just select it, and then you'll see a little button at the bottom of the image that kind of looks like a paper airplane. You're going to want to go ahead and click that, and then click the option that says Add Post to Your Story. So this will bring up a screen that is sort of a preview of what it's going to look like, and you'll see I have a few options here. I can draw on it, I can add some stickers. I'm going to throw some in there as an example. And then when you're done customizing it, just make sure you click the button in the bottom right hand corner that says Send To, and then from there, you're just going to want to click the button that says Share next to where it says Your Story, and then click Done. And then when you go to the home page and you click on your story, you'll see that the post appears there. And it's actually a clickable post, so you can tap on it once and then click See Post, and it'll bring you straight to the original source. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.